what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade banana pudding ice cream from scratch. This recipe combines the Southern classic dessert banana pudding with homemade vanilla ice cream, making an extraordinary dessert. This recipe serves about 4 or more people, and it is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your banana pudding ice cream. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need some ripe bananas. You will only need 2 of these for this recipe. And along with that, you will need some whole milk, 16 fluid ounces of heavy whipping cream, 4 large eggs, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, and 12 ounces of vanilla wafers. To make your banana pudding ice cream, you will need an ice cream maker, and this is a 1.5 quart ice cream maker by Cuisinart. And you will also need an airtight container to put your ice cream in. And there we have it. Let's get straight to it. Separate 4 egg whites from 4 egg yolks. Take your egg whites and place them into one bowl, and take your egg yolks and place them into a separate bowl. Add 2/3 cup of sugar and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Take your whisk and stir all the ingredients continuously for 40 seconds or until the mixture resembles a pale color like how you see here. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Give this a quick stir. Let this come to a simmer. As you can see, our mixture is at a light simmer now. Turn your fire off. Here we have our sugar and egg yolk mixture. We're going to take our whisk and stir all the ingredients. And while we are stirring the ingredients, we're going to add our milk and cream mixture into the egg yolk mixture into 3 separate intervals. And this method is called tempering the eggs. Preheat your fire to medium-low heat. Return your milk and egg yolk mixture back into your pot. Stir continuously for 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes now, and as you can see, our mixture has thickened slightly. Exactly what we want. Turn your fire off. Pour your custard into a bowl with a mesh strainer in it. And if your strainer has any egg particles in it, that means that you overcooked your custard. And if your custard has a strong eggy-like smell, you might want to start over. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Give this a quick stir. Line the top of your custard with plastic wrap, and this will prevent that skin from forming at the top of your custard. Cover with lid. Place this into your fridge for 6 hours, or for best results, let this sit overnight. And this is it. I'll let my custard sit overnight. I'm going to remove the plastic off the top of my custard and give it a quick stir. And as you can see, the custard has thickened just a little bit more. Here we have our ice cream maker with our ice cream maker base. You want to make sure that you freeze your ice cream maker's base 24 hours before you make your ice cream, or according to your instructions on what to do with your ice cream maker base. Turn your ice cream maker on and pour your custard into your ice cream maker. Let this churn for 25 minutes. After 10 minutes, chop one large banana into quarter pieces. And here I have a bread knife. We're going to chop 25 vanilla wafer cookies in half. Okay, 10 minutes have passed. We're going to add our chopped banana and the chopped vanilla wafers. Continue to let this churn for 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes now, and after 25 minutes total of churning, your ice cream is now finished. Turn your ice cream maker off. I'm going to show you how it looks. Just going to remove the base. As you can see, that's nice and thick. Now we're going to remove the ice cream and place it into an airtight container or bowl. Cover with lid. Place this into your freezer for 6 hours. For best results, let this sit in your freezer overnight and keep it in your freezer at all times. Here is the final presentation, and there you have it, banana pudding ice cream. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes at www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. Man, the ice cream is nice and creamy, has a nice texture to it. You can taste the flavor of the bananas and also those vanilla wafers that we added to the ice cream. Just like how you would do in a banana pudding, the wafers would combine with that custard. It gives a very nice flavor. Overall, it is really good. It tastes just like a banana pudding. The only difference is that it's made into ice cream. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.